Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get the best deals shopping on Temu. So let's get started. So as you know, Temu is already known for having really low prices, but here I'll be telling you some tips to get even better deals. So first of all are the special offers. Once you go into Temu and log into your account, on the home page you'll see many different options that say earn credit and free gifts. So these are basically limited time offers and deals. These most of the times have the best deals on the app. Now the next tips are coupon codes. On many different social media pages and coupon websites, you'll see people giving out coupon codes, which help you in getting a small percentage discount on your final order, so they can help you in getting better prices for your deals. You can also get coupon codes by signing up to communications on WhatsApp with Temu. Now another way with which you can get good deals are bundles. Mostly what happens is that seller give you a discount if you buy a certain amount of items. So for example, if you buy 3 items from a seller, you can get a 4th one for free. So make sure to look out for these seller deals, as they can help you in getting free discounts. Another way with which you can get good deals are referral links. If you already have a friend using Temu, you can use the referral link to make your account, and your first order will have a huge discount. And in return, they get some credits that they can use for their future purchases. Now if you shop on Temu frequently, you can try using Temu Circle membership. The benefits of these are that you can get 2 free items per month and also up to 10% credit back on every purchase. Another way with which you can get discounts or price adjustments. So for example, if you buy something on Temu and it goes on sale for a better price within the 30 days of your purchase, then you can get a price adjustment. So these are the ways with which you can get best deals on Temu. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.